Oh, hey, you guys. My name is Justin Beard. I'm an Indiana Jones stunt double.
What got you into stunts?
I have a background in musical theater and dance, and as an actor, I wanted to be as versatile as possible.
What are the steps to get ready before a show?
You gotta check your gear out. You know, you've got your wardrobe, you've got your footwear, and you got your pads. And if your pads are cracked or broken, you're cracked or broken.
How do you stay safe during a stunt?
Well, we rehearse, and then ultimately you gotta check your stunts every single time. The crew chief will check the stunts, the stunt captain will check your stunts, and then you check your stunts every time. That's how you go home safely.
So what makes a good stunt performer?
Good stunt performer's gotta be flexible. Gotta be able to take direction, pivot on the fly. That's how you stay safe too.
Which stunt is the hardest to perform?
Hitting the concrete every single time, over and over in perpetuity. It stacks up.
Do you have a favorite memory of performing?
Absolutely. I think it's probably when my mom and dad came to see me down here for the first time in show.
Did you ever see the show when you were a kid?
I did. I was 5 years old. My mom and dad, they brought me and my brothers down here. We were actually junior directors here for the show, which means we got to say lights, camera, action, and we started the whole thing. I'll never forget it. The Indiana Jones who I saw when I was a kid here, the only time I came to Disney was the Indiana Jones who trained me into the show. His name's Kevin Broussard, and it's one of those where you don't want to meet your heroes, but you do want to meet Kevin Broussard.
So why should annual pass holders come see the show?
Well, if you're a fan of the parks, so we're about as original as it gets.
Thanks, Justin.
Thanks for watching. Oh! Oh! Oh!